Alright, so the KZ ZEX comes in a very simple and small box, and inside it you get the user guide, some different size silicone ear tips so that you can find the right fit, the 2-pin detachable cables that you attach to the earbuds themselves, and of course the KZ ZEX earbuds themselves. Now inside the in-ear monitors you have a electrostatic driver and a dual magnetic dynamic driver. So the electrostatic driver basically takes care in rendering the high and ultra high frequencies, and the dual magnetic dynamic drivers take care of the mid frequencies and the low frequencies. It's great to have these in-ear monitors with these 2-pin connector detachable cables, because if you ever lose the cable, if it gets torn or it gets worn out after years of use, you can just replace it with something of the same nature or even better if you have the budget. And it's also got a microphone, so taking calls on this is a-okay, and the microphone quality is also pretty good. Now talking about the comfort of these in-ear monitors, well, they are very comfortable even though they're made of that cast zinc alloy, which in the hand feels quite hefty. So for a price of $17.99, so for 1800 rupees, the KZ ZEX are an excellent pair of in-ear monitors. Starting from the robust build quality, the funky look, and the excellent audio quality. So the only downside in a sense would be that these are not wireless, but there is a reason why people even today in 2022 go for wired in-ear monitors and swear by them than choosing some truly wireless earbuds.